This week's video is for the birds. Stick around. Tucked away in a valley just outside the Rothrock State Forest is Penn State University's Shavers Creek Environmental Center and Stone Valley Recreation Area. Shavers Creek is an environmental education and discovery center. Family-oriented exhibits and activities are designed to teach children and adults alike. The first building is the Litzinger Discovery Center. The main entrance leads us into the welcome area and gift shop, and to the left is the Litzinger Herpetarium, home to reptiles and amphibians like this timber rattlesnake, one of 3 venomous species in PA, and this western Mississauga, a cousin of another of our pit vipers, the eastern Mississauga. A bit less intimidating is this spotted turtle, and next door, I believe, is a wood turtle. Let's play a little game. Can you spot the northern water snake here in his habitat? Yes, there he is, hiding under the log. Two of our more beneficial snakes, eastern rat snakes, were warming up on their log. Meanwhile, their bashful neighbor, a western hognose, is relaxing behind some plants. This map turtle looks more like a nap turtle right now. But right next door, the painted turtle is training by doing some laps. This eastern box turtle is just relaxing and catching some rays. The middle room here in the Discovery Center is an interactive activity room for children. They can learn more about nature and their environment through the various activities. The last room is for indoor bird watching. Yeah, I know, not a bird. Exiting the rear of the Discovery Center is what I've been waiting for, the Klingsburg Aviary. Shavers Creek is not a rehabilitation center. These birds have already gone through rehab and for whatever reason cannot be returned to the wild, so they live out their lives here as ambassadors for their species. Like this majestic golden eagle, or this great horned owl sitting there, probably contemplating lollipops. Not all the birds here are raptors. Here's a camera-shy American crow, and right next door is a barred owl catching some shut-eye. The fastest animal in the world, the peregrine falcon, is watching, well, I guess he decided to show off a bit for us. This black vulture looks like he's just sitting there waiting for something to die. The newest resident here is Jane, a sandhill crane. Jane, who arrived in December of 2023, was found as a baby by some folks who thought she was abandoned. By the time she got to a rehab, she had already imprinted on humans. Sandhills are social flocking birds. Jane, unfortunately, thinks people are her flock. Here's a good look at an American kestrel, and it looks like he's showing off his new trick. Finally, needing no introduction, is the bald eagle. This longtime resident here at Shavers Creek is 34 years old and absolutely regal looking. Since this is a university facility, of course there is classroom space for both university students as well as the public programs presented here. There's a beautiful view of Stone Valley Recreation Area's Lake Perez from the deck. Lake Perez and Stone Valley allow fishing, boating, and kayaking, while Pennsylvania state fishing and boating regulations do apply. They also have picnic tables, grills, and modern cabins for rent. 20 miles of shared trails make for some great day hiking and walking opportunities here in these facilities. This was a great afternoon here at Shavers Creek. Of course, anytime I get to hang out with our channel icons, raptors, is a good day in my book. This is another great spot to put on your list when you're in the Racetown region of central Pennsylvania, and is right next to the Rothrock State Forest we visited in last week's video. Thanks for coming along today. We appreciate you spending some time with us. Make sure you're subscribed and give this video a like. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, the link to that is in the description. Till the next time, as always, have a great week.